A pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy one-pot jerk chicken with rice and peas. To get started, I already went ahead and seasoned my jerk chicken, and I'll show you the process in just a minute. I have here some long grain basmati rice, and I'll be using some dark kidney beans, the one in the can, and I'll be using some coconut milk. I have onions, scallions, some thyme, scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, allspice. I'll be using some all-purpose seasoning, salt, and black pepper. So today I'll be using 4 small leg quarters. I did went ahead and remove the skin and washed in lemon juice. I have here some wet homemade jerk seasoning, some dry jerk seasoning, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, and some black pepper. So here's how I prepared my jerk seasoning. I have some scallions, onions, scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, thyme, garlic, some sugar, salt, allspice or pimento berries. I'll be using some homemade burnt sugar or homemade browning. You could also use regular browning if you like. I have cinnamon, nutmeg, vinegar, and lemon juice. What I did was added all of the ingredients to my little food processor, and I just blend away. I did also add some oil here just to help with the blending process, and that's it. It's super simple and easy, and this is what I used for my chicken. I also did this for some jerk salmon that I did the other day, and this was the leftover jerk seasoning, and yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna marinate our chicken, so we'll add the dry seasonings first, and then we'll go in with the wet jerk seasoning. I also added a little bit of that homemade burnt sugar to give the chicken a nice vibrant color. Once the chicken is nicely coated with the seasonings, we will sit the lid on and allow it to rest for about an hour or two. If you have the time to do this overnight, that would be perfect. To a preheated skillet with some oil, I will now add the chicken, and we will sear the chicken on both sides. We're not cooking it all the way through because we will be doing the one pot dish, which we will add it back into the pot with the rice. So we'll sear it nicely, and once it gets that nice golden brown color, we'll flip it and just allow it to sear, and then we'll set it aside and carry on with the same process until we're all done. So I switched pots because I was thinking of sliding this inside of the oven, but then I changed my mind and just decided to do it on the stove top. But here you see me adding my onions and garlic, and we will just toss it around a bit and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, I did started adding the rest of my ingredients except the rice and the chicken. But I forgot to hit record, so I didn't get to show you guys when I was adding it. And here is what I added. I added a little bit of water. I add some coconut milk. I've added my kidney bean, also my scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, as well as the seasoning and the allspice. I give it a good toss, and now we will sit the lid on and allow this to just go for about 5 minutes, just allowing all the ingredients to marry and be well incorporated. I am so sorry guys, I almost didn't post this video because I hate when I don't get to show step by step. So now it's 5 minutes has passed. We will now add our rice, and we'll add a little bit of butter here. We will give the rice a good toss, and then we'll go in with our chicken. We'll add the chicken back in here. We will cover and allow this to simmer on low heat for about 20-25 minutes. Once all of your liquid evaporates, your rice is done. It is so simple and easy, and when I tell you this was amazing, we truly enjoyed this dish. I can't wait for you all to try it. And like I said, once all your liquid evaporates, your rice should be perfectly cooked. I will leave all the correct measurements and ingredients that I use down in my description box. And now you want to cover this, remove it from the heat, allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Then you can remove your chicken and just fluff the rice up. Make sure that it's evenly combined with the peas and all the other ingredients, and then you can get ready to serve. I did serve this up with some fried ripe plantains and some cabbage, and it was amazing. My family enjoyed it. The rice was so flavorful because of the chicken. All those juices dripped down into that rice, and it was so good. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.